The era of the conventional helicopter is over. In a world where speed is the ultimate key to survival, the US Army has just chosen a new predator to dominate the skies. This isn't just a Black Hawk replacement. This is the Bell V-280 Valor, a tilt-rotor machine that is about to change the way war is waged forever. For over 4 decades, the UH-60 Black Hawk has been the backbone of military air transport. However, emerging challenges in the Pacific and Eastern Europe demand something faster and with much greater reach. Developed by Bell Textron in the United States, the V-280 was born from the Future Vertical Lift program. Its goal was ambitious, to create an aircraft with the agility of a helicopter during landing, but the speed and range of a turboprop airplane. Having secured a multi-billion-dollar contract, the V-280 is now preparing to take its official military designation, the MV-75. Let's talk numbers, because this is where the Valor truly shines. Mobility. Powered by twin Rolls-Royce turboshaft engines, the V-280 is capable of reaching an incredible cruise speed of 280 knots or roughly 520 kilometers per hour. That is double the speed of a standard helicopter. With a combat range of up to 1,480 kilometers, this aircraft can reach targets that were previously impossible to hit without aerial refueling. Unlike its predecessor, the V-22 Osprey, the V-280's engine, nacelles remain horizontal, only the rotors tilt. This design reduces mechanical complexity, increases reliability, and provides better protection for troops exiting the side doors. This aircraft utilizes a triple redundant fly-by-wire system and an open systems architecture. This means upgrades to sensors and electronic warfare systems can be implemented as quickly as installing an app on your smartphone. What makes the V-280 unique? The answer is low-speed agility. While it can fly like a jet at high altitudes, the Valor remains rock solid during hovering in tight terrain. Another standout feature is the 6-foot-wide side doors, which allow for troop deployment much faster than the Osprey. There are no massive engines blocking the sides, giving door gunners a clear, wide field of fire to provide cover. Its toughest rival, the SB-1 Defiant, offered a sophisticated coaxial rotor design, but the V-280 won out on fuel efficiency and long-range speed. The Pentagon's decision is final. The V-280 is the future. In conclusion, the Valor is not just an evolution, it is a revolution. With speed that slashes strike response times and a range that expands the front line, the US military has ensured they stay one step ahead of their adversaries. What do you think? Is the V-280 truly worthy of replacing the legendary Black Hawk? Or is this tilt-rotor design too risky for the battlefields of tomorrow? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.